G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today's April 29, 2023. This is the S&P 500 update. We've got the weekly and the daily, and they're showing a bullish movement or possible bullish or long positions to be taken on the lower time frames. So I'll cover this on the each time frame. So on the weekly, this indicator down here combines the moving averages of the price chart, and that's the moving average 60, 3 and 5 of the price chart, and the moving average 50 and 5 of the CCI 150. So when they're both in alignment, they're both showing bullish movement at the moment. That's where it's saying predominantly long trades. So going to the daily chart, so the same methodology, you can see there that's also showing it's just opened up in the since yesterday, taking long trades only on the lower time frames, or even possibly on the daily if you like. The other thing to notice here as well is I've drawn these support and resistance lines, support at 34.90 and resistance at 41.93, and the price is approaching that resistance as we speak. And also there was this diagonal descending trend line, and it bounced off that trend line. It actually hit it a couple of times, and it's bounced off it a couple of times since then, and now it's making further advancement towards that resistance, as I said. So again, on the weekly and daily, it's taking long positions only. On the hourly or even any other lower time frame, you could possibly, one trading idea would be to use fractals, and that's where, for example, when the candle breaks above the fractal, it's a fresh break. That's where you would take a long position, and you would get out using a monetary or a percentage gain or whatever strategy you may want to use, or it's a moving average change of direction, or whatever suits your style. But you can see there that would have been another entry there, another entry there, and one more just in the last hour before the weekend close. But just also notice, if I zoom out here, I did draw these diagonal trend lines, and the price was bouncing off that, and it broke to the downside, and now it's reached that ascending diagonal trend line as well. So it possibly may bounce to the downside, have a bit of a retrace before making further upswings. So again, I'd suggest if you're going to trade this, follow one of the trading strategies in the Patreon page, which links in the description below. So subscribe and like the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.